Hey friends, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I'm going to make a simple Saltbox house ornament. I have painted my background with folk art cinnamon. Then I have just painted my Saltbox house black and then went over it with some crimson. Now I'm painting the windows. Just doing those just as simple as can be. They are far from perfect. Now I'm outlining with some black paint. And then I end up going around the entire thing with black anyways. Then I'm going to paint a simple roof and paint some chimneys on the roof. And then I widen out the roof a little bit. And then now I am just taking the white paint and drawing in the middle of the windows. That's actually not white paint, it's Waverly chalk paint in the plaster shade. So I'm just outlining the windows and then also the door. And then after that, I'm going to make a really simple willow tree. This type of painting doesn't take too much skill. It's pretty basic. I feel like just about anybody could paint this. So now I'm just painting the leaves on the willow tree. And after I finish that, I'm going to paint a star at the top. And I really wish that I had a primitive star, but I had just grabbed this little barn star, and so that's what I put at the top. So now you see I've already painted around the edges of my little ornament, and I'm going back over the willow tree now with some green paint to give it a little bit of color. And then I'm sanding. Now I'm going to drill a couple of holes in the top. After that, I'm taking some dark sealing wax and I'm just going to go around the edge and over the top of the Saltbox house. Then I'm going to take a baby wipe and just kind of go around and blend it in a little bit better. Now I am taking a paint pen and I'm going to go over my willow tree to just make it a little bit more defined. Then I'm going to add wire to the top, and that is just some rebar wire. Then I'm using some needle nose pliers and just twisting the wire around. It's not perfect, it's just a simple fix to hold my wire in place. And I do that to both sides, of course. And then after I'm finished with that, I am going to just take some homespun fabric and make a simple little bow. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.